Hey there, it's me, Lottie, and today what we're going to do is take a little self-care moment. And I know it's been a while since I've been in front of the camera, right? Sometimes it's just, I'm not going to lie, it's easier to be behind the camera and just get it rolling when, I have an idea or I run across a plant or an exceptionally well-plated meal. So, it's just easier and sometimes it's more comfortable. You just have to put a little bit more into when your face is in the place. So anyway, trying something new because it's that time, right? It's just a time of so much change in the world. And it's been a really difficult week for me and several people that I know. It seems like there is a very strong vibrational, energetic shift happening that might be affecting some people more than others, really making some people feel like they're crazy or out of sorts or unable to focus. For me, it's just been waves of confusion and sometimes anger and sadness and frustration, fear. So I just wanted to take this self-care moment. So here we are today. I have my smoothie. It's in that quintessential brown color of a good green smoothie. This is kale, bananas, coconut chips, sunflowers, almonds, walnuts, pumpkin seeds, and some chocolate almond milk. So, that is working. All right. So anyway, I was online as usual, and I came across a acquaintance of mine, a sister friend that I knew a little bit way back in the day. We haven't really had a chance to connect and sit down and talk, but I did tune into her YouTube channel. Her name is Joy D. Calloway, and she has a great YouTube channel with a lot of inspirational, health-centered, lifestyle conducive videos. And one of the videos featured Dr. Yetta Young, and it was a self-care video. Now, you know me and self-care, right? And self-love and taking that time to pour into yourself to heal. Well, I learned through that video that this wonderful woman has a company called Incense Love and Meditation, and she makes incense. And if you know me, you know I do love incense. I really, really love incense. And I love supporting Black-owned businesses. And I love supporting Black women-owned businesses. So, I got my package today. I haven't even opened it yet, because then I got the idea I could share, and let's have this experience together. I'm going to leave the link below, of course, to a few things. Joy's channel, Dr. Young's website, and so you can take a look at some of the fabulous products that she has, because what I'm seeing, I'm going to be back in there quite a few times. There's incense and some oils as well, and a lot of yummy choices. Okay, I still got to cut this open here. Okay, let's get it open. I have forgotten what I ordered, but you know what? It smells good. I can smell it already coming out of this here package. Okay, here we go. Let me see. Oh, look at this here. Okay, so this is what I ordered, right? Look. Do you see that? This is called the Self-Love series of incense. I was so excited. I ordered it immediately. Okay, let me open it. What's in here? Woo! Okay, so right off the bat, whoa, this is full. Okay, look at this. Okay, first of all, I'm a happy incense burning camper. But, oh, it smells good. All right. Just a second. What else is in here? Because there's papers. You know, like official stuff. Oh, I love this. I love this. Okay. So, she sent me a lovely note. Look. This is Dr. Young. Premium incense curated as a therapeutic ritual for creatives, healers, and those seeking to vibrate higher. What is not to like about that? It says Incense Love. Welcome to Incense Love and Meditation. Allow our incense to increase your focus and creativity. Burning incense with intention really is a magical experience. Lean all the way into your magic. Enjoy. Yetta. Handwritten note. Love that. I love touches like that, you know. And thank you. A thank you note for supporting my small Black woman-owned business during this crucial time. I know that's right. You are welcome. Now for the good part. So first of all, I feel like, what did I order? Look at this. Okay, so what did I order? So this is, oh, got a lighter in here too. Yetta Young is the chief scent curator from Incense Love and Meditation. She is on Facebook, Instagram, and the website is incenselovemeditation.com. So, like I said, oh, awesome. A burner. Thank you so much. This is a nice gift and it's gorgeous. I love that it's orange, the color of our base chakra. Let's get that thing together. And a lighter. Thank you. And then here are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 different incense, and each one is designed around an aspect of self-care. So we have Sacred, and I think there are, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I forgot how many are in each. I think there's 8 in each of these. Okay, so we have Sacred, Safe Space, Sanctuary, Sippin' Tea, nice, Sisterhood, Spirit, Spring, oh, I'm sorry, Summer Rain, and Sweet Love. Nice. I have to go back and see. Wow, they're very highly perfumed. They're very highly perfumed. Nice. Oh, I like that. Sisterhood. I do like that. Let's see here. I know I'm getting just a little bit of the whiff. That's nice. Spicy, kind of earthy. And then I ordered this one also, Evolution. I can't remember what this is a blend of. It's a blend of amazing. Let me get I'll tell you what Evolution is, just a second. Okay, so I was able to pull up the website here, and like I said, this scent is called Evolution, and apparently it's a new scent, and it doesn't have the exact fragrances that are in it, but it just says, begin your spiritual evolution with this indescribably intoxicating incense made from rich natural ingredients that are handpicked from rare Indian forests that calm the impetuous mind, relieve the fatigued body, and stir the soul. Its sensual sweetness is the ideal companion to open your root chakra and help you release. Burn in those moments when you need to let go, reset, and elevate to the next level. Invoke your highest self with this stirring fragrance. So I'm really excited to try that. And then I'm so excited because homegirl, put some goodies in here. Just a little one stick each of a few other varieties that are featured on the website. So that is really exciting. And we have, let's see, Money Drawing PM. We have 50. One is called 50. It says a mossy, woody tone married to a lovely, sweet musk scent. Which is really nice because now that I'm 53, I'm really into, celebrating who I am. So I love this incense called 50. I wonder why it was named that. We also have Black Lives Matter, which is so wonderful to set up an intentional moment to reflect on what's going on in the world and to, like she says on here, burn with intention. Say some prayers or chant or meditate or any way that you would like to energetically and vibrationally support the movement toward ending racism and ending dangerous, deadly practices that are in place right now. We have this one that is called Retreat. Awesome. And this one, did I say this one already? 777. Okay, so I really appreciate, thank you for these samples because you are already seeding the path right for my next order. So, like I said, I really enjoy incense, and I think the only right thing to do right now is to light one. So let me put my computer over here. And like I said, we have take a moment. I have my burner. And let's see, which one? This is always hard for me. You know which one I want? I know which one I want. I said it was hard for me and now it's not. I'm going to go with Evolution first. Just because I'm curious. And I have my lighter here. I haven't used a lighter in so long. Okay. That smells amazing. It smells great. It smells... It does have a bit of a floral vibe to it, but not... It's almost a little bit of Nag Champa. Yeah, it definitely has that, what do I want to say? It's a sweetness, but it's a spicy sweetness, not a flowery sweetness, even though I said floral. Let me try it. My ceiling fan is making it hard for me to like this. So this is going to be nice just to set the tone for the afternoon. I have some work ahead of me that I have to get done. And like I said, I don't know about you, but it's just been really hard to be motivated. It's been hard to be motivated these past, this whole week, really. But we're going to just let that beautiful fragrance fill the room and cleanse the air and lift the vibration. I really love this. Now, I suggest you visit the website and see what's there. I think these are going to be on somebody's Kwanzaa list for this year. I love finding new businesses to support. So this is kind of like a twofer. Like, you should really check out Joy D. Calloway's channel, and she does other talks and lectures and things, and some of them are available to register online for. And so I really would love it if you would support her work. And then we have Dr. Young with her wonderful business, Incense Love and Meditation. So thank you so much for making these self-care and self-healing tools available, especially at this time. Even though, we always need to put our own self-care as a priority. And it can be difficult because there's so many things that will tell you aren't the priority, or you shouldn't make yourself the priority, or you're selfish for making yourself the priority. That's not true. You can be a better whatever you're trying to be if you take the time to nourish yourself and to pour into being your best self. So that's about it. I just really wanted to share because I was excited, and like I said, I love the whole concept of the business. So, check it out, and I will see you at the next video. And until then, you know what I always say, take care.